to change password on Spotify on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change password of your Spotify app within your iPhone. So let's get into it. So first of all, you will have to open up Spotify on your mobile phone and it'll take you right here. So on Spotify, we have our own account. So we're going to click on the settings from the top right corner. And now here we have our account. So in our account, we will get our information. So you will have to actually log out of your Spotify and it will take you right here. Now you're going to click on login and then you can log in without a password, or you can actually say that I forgot my password, and Spotify will actually send you a link. You have to enter your email address right here. Enter your email and then Spotify will send you a link and you'll be able to reset your password, or you can log in to your Spotify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.